Hi, my name is Sean Marzinzik, and I'm an associate lawyer with Ascent Employment Law. Today I'll be speaking a bit about whether it's possible for an employee to take time off instead of being paid overtime wages. The short answer to this question is that in British Columbia, yes, time off in lieu of overtime is permitted. This is typically accomplished through the creation of a time bank, which can be set up by the employer at the written request of an employee. Technically, this arrangement is not supposed to originate from the employer. Should an employee find themselves in such a situation, it's important for them to know that they're legally permitted to decline the employer's proposal, or if they do agree, know how time banks work, and rest assured that they should not be losing out on any pay they've earned. When a time bank is in place, the employee's overtime pay is credited to it and not paid out in the following pay period. A key point is that banked overtime wages must be credited and later provided to the employee at the rates they were earned, not the normal rate of pay. From that point on, the employee may request at any time that they be paid all or part of their banked wages. They can also ask to use the banked wages to take time off with pay at a time mutually agreed upon by the employer and the employee. The employee can also request to close the time bank. If the time bank is requested to be closed by the employee, or if the employee's employment is terminated, the credited amount within the time bank is due to be paid out as soon as possible, typically on the employee's next payday. However, an employer may also close the time bank by providing the employee with 1 month's written notice. If the employer closes the time bank, they have more flexibility, as they have 6 months from the date of closing to pay out any credited amounts. These can be paid out in wages to the employee directly, or the employee may be granted time off with pay, or a combination of either approach. In conclusion, a time bank simply defers the point in time when an employer is required to provide it to the employee. It provides flexibility to both parties, but does not result in a reduction of pay to the employee based on what they've earned. If you have any questions about time banks, wages, or any other workplace issue, please reach out to me or one of the other lawyers at Ascent Employment Law, and we'll be happy to speak with you. Thank you.